Alright, hope we're already recording. So, I'm on Desmos right now. We want to figure out how to do regression. I'm going to click the plus sign in the top left corner, and I need to make a table. Just like we did on our calculators, we need to put this in. So do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That's our first list. Next we do our y values. 146, 94, 55, 30, 18, 9, 22, 64, 93, 120. As you can see, it graphs it right away for us. If we can just zoom out, we can see it. But that doesn't look too much like a parabola, so we can edit with our wrench. Unlike our calculators, this doesn't have a zoom that does it for us right away. So we know our x value goes from, and I just like going to a little bit to the negative and going a little bit above. And then our y value needs to go above 150, but just a little bit below, and then a little bit above. And then now we can see this. It's not going to look exactly like we did in the calculator, but that's fine. Now we wanted to do the regression. So what we have to do, we have to say, in our table, we have y1. And we want to make an equation that looks like our quadratic, because that was the first one we did. So instead of an equal sign, we're going to use the tilde. And then we say a x1 and then squared plus b x1, because again we're taking the x's from x1 column, plus c. So it comes up with it right away, and we could even see exactly what we got with the calculator. And if we zoom in at our vertex, we can see why we came into this issue in class, where the vertex of our parabola is actually far more vertically above the actual lowest value we have for the number of sunspots. So again, this is how you do regression. If you wanted to make this a cubic function, we could. We would put in x1 to the power of 3, and then we just need to change the rest of these like so. And again, to get the power of 3, you would press this button and then type in 3. So again, that's how you do it. Hopefully this makes sense. If not, come during seminar.